In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Confluence page. This is a straightforward process, but it's always good to tackle it step by step to ensure nothing goes wrong, especially if you're dealing with pages you or your team might need later. First, you'll want to start at your Confluence homepage. This acts as your main hub, where you can navigate to different spaces and pages. It's like the central command in your Confluence universe. From here, look for the required space that contains the page you need to delete. Spaces in Confluence are essentially project folders. They're places where you and your team can store and organize pages related to a specific topic or initiative. Make sure you know you're working in the correct space, as it's easy to navigate mistakenly into others, especially with shared workspaces. Once you've selected your space, the next thing to do is to locate the exact page you want to delete. Carefully click on that page so you can bring it up in full view. At this point, double-check to ensure you're on the right page, as this action cannot be taken lightly. Once a page is deleted, it could mean losing valuable information. Although it might be recoverable in some instances, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Next up, you'll see a series of icons and navigational elements, either at the top of the page or along a side panel, depending on your layout. Look for the three dots icon, usually found in a drop-down format that holds additional actions you may want to take regarding this page. These three dots are your signal for more advanced options and tools, including the deletion function. After clicking on the three dots, a menu will appear with a list of options. Among these, you should see the option labeled Delete. Click on that to initiate the deletion process. At this point, Confluence will ask you to confirm that you indeed want to delete the page. This serves as a necessary safeguard to make sure you don't accidentally erase something important. You'll see a prompt asking for a final confirmation before deletion. If you're sure about removing this page, go ahead and click on Delete once more to confirm. Remember, it's always a good idea to ensure that you've saved any essential information elsewhere before taking this step. By doing this, you've successfully removed the page from your Confluence space. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide on how to delete a page in Confluence. Always make sure to double-check everything and discuss with your team if you're uncertain. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.